I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the hardware and accounts are ready. Plug in the second controller and sign the second player into a profile. This tells Minecraft to accept input. Once done, launch Minecraft Bedrock Edition, not Java, because you need built-in split screen support. Make sure the TV or monitor runs at a supported resolution. Lower than 720p can prevent split screen. Press O or X to join from the second controller. You'll see the second player prompt on screen immediately. You now configure the display and player positions so everyone has space. In your local world, pause and go to Settings, then Video. Turn split screen on and pick the layout, horizontal or vertical, depending on your screen shape. Once enabled, you can assign player order by pressing the controller buttons shown. This changes who occupies which half. Make sure render distance and UI scale are reasonable so both players have readable HUDs. Lowering render distance prevents lag when two players play on one console. Finish by resuming the world and confirming both of you can move, see inventories, and build. If the screen shows black bars or refuses to split, make sure the HDMI cable and TV aspect ratio are standard 16:9 and restart the game. That fixes most split-screen detection issues. If a controller won't join, repair it in the console settings or swap ports on the hub. Remember, saving the world after a successful join preserves player slots for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.